Are you searching for a natural way to speed up healing and reduce pain? Platelet-rich plasma or PRP therapy might be your answer. This innovative treatment uses your body's own healing power to address a variety of conditions. By harnessing the potential of your own blood, PRP therapy stimulates your body to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. This safe and effective treatment offers promising results for those seeking a natural approach to pain relief and healing. PRP therapy is a straightforward three-step process. First, a small amount of blood is drawn from your arm, just like a routine blood test. Next, the blood is placed in a centrifuge, a specialized machine that spins rapidly to separate the blood components. This process isolates platelets, which are rich in growth factors essential for healing. Finally, the concentrated platelet-rich plasma is carefully injected into the injured area. PRP therapy offers a multitude of benefits for those seeking a natural approach. Unlike medications that mask pain, PRP addresses the root cause of the problem, promoting long-lasting relief. The growth factors in PRP stimulate tissue repair, reduce inflammation, and accelerate healing. Whether you are struggling with a sports injury, osteoarthritis, or chronic pain, PRP may provide a natural solution to enhance your body's healing capabilities. Section 4. PRP, a novel approach to pain relief. PRP therapy represents a significant advancement in regenerative medicine. By harnessing the body's natural healing mechanisms, PRP offers a safe and effective alternative to surgery or long-term medication use. This minimally invasive procedure requires little to no downtime, allowing patients to return to their daily activities quickly. Furthermore, PRP therapy has a low risk of side effects, making it a desirable option for those seeking natural pain relief. Section 5. The future of healing. As research and technology advance, the potential applications for PRP therapy continue to expand. This promising treatment offers hope for individuals suffering from various acute and chronic conditions. With its ability to accelerate healing, reduce pain, and improve overall quality of life, PRP therapy is poised to transform the future of pain management and regenerative medicine. If you are seeking a cutting-edge natural solution for your health concerns, consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine if PRP therapy is right for you.